Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all of you to my channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about some Vastu remedies, numerology, spirituality, some crystal healing tips and some lifestyle tips. So if you all are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. So let's get started. Let's move on towards our today's video. So let's see that what's there in today's video for all of you. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 2 tips that will help you in getting name and fame luck into your life. So what are these 2 tips, these 2 remedies that will help you in becoming famous? Tips that will help you in maintaining your name, fame, your dignity, your respect and reputation in the world. Let's see what are those interesting tips. Because the thing is, there are many people who really work hard towards achieving their goals. They really work day and night. They literally sweat their blood out to get their work done, to accomplish their goals, to accomplish their mission, and to get that one promotion that they have ever wanted. But the thing is, they don't get the rewards, the recognition, the appreciation that they have ever wanted in their life. For example, if you are into any kind of job and you are literally working hard to get that promotion, to get the appreciation, to get the token of appreciation from your boss or from your team leader or manager, from anybody, but you're not getting it, and somebody else comes in the picture and takes up your promotion. So how would you feel at that particular point of time? You'll feel sad, you'll feel depressed, you'll feel that you don't have importance in your organization, and you'll feel demotivated. Your self-esteem will be at a very low level at that particular point of time. So that's the reason today I'm here to share with you all 2 tips that will help you in maintaining your name, your dignity, your fame, your reputation, and tips that you can follow to maintain your importance in your organization. You can create your own importance in any particular field, wherever you are, whether it's your personal life or it's your professional life. So now comes the very first tip. All you have to do is, you have to use red color in the south direction of your home. Why I'm saying south direction? Because south direction brings name and fame luck into our life. And why red color? Because south direction is related to fire element, and the color that represents fire element is red. And there is one more reason why I am saying that you have to use only red color items in the south direction. Because south direction is ruled by Mars planet, and Mars planet is ruled by Lord Hanuman, and the color that represents Lord Hanuman is red or the saffron color. And that's the reason you have to use red color items in the south direction of your home. So what you can do, if there is some furniture, some sofas or couch in the south direction of your home, you can place red color cushions, or you can place red color clothes on your sofa, on your couch. It will help you in getting name and fame luck into your life. Because red color or the fire element, what does it represent? What does it exactly signifies? It represents the energy, the motivation, the strong willpower, the strength, the stamina that you need to work on your ideas, the zeal that is there inside of you but you are not recognizing it. So this red color, the fire element, represents the male, the bold and the courageous part of you. It represents the courageous side of you. So what happens if a person have a very strong willpower, if a person has that courageous and the bold personality? That person stands up for his own right and stands up for the right of other people as well. And once you stand up for your own right, once you take the right decisions in your life for yourself and for others, during that particular point of time, you are in a position to maintain your own importance, to create your self-respect, your dignity, your reputation in your organization or in your personal life. You get rewarded and recognition from everywhere, from all the people, no matter what, irrespective of the circumstances, irrespective of any kind of situation. And this color also represents victory, achievement, success, progress, growth, wealth, and prosperity. So if you want to manifest anything that you need in your life, place red color items in the south direction of your home. This will help you in maintaining your name, fame, dignity, or reputation in the world and among all the people. So what you can do, you can place red color cushions if there is sofa or furniture in south direction, or if there are some windows in the south direction of your home. What you can do, you can hang red color curtains. You can use mixture of red color with some other color if you don't like pure red color in your curtains. So you can do this. Or if not this, what you can do, you can place red candles in the south direction of your home. All you have to do is, you have to light that red candle during the sunset. And while lighting this candle, just set an intention. What exactly you want in your life. If you want your name and fame luck, if you want to become famous, if you want to create your own importance, if you want to maintain the dignity, the respect in front of all the people, then just set that particular intention. Say that sentence that I want to attract name and fame luck into my life while lighting this candle. But make sure whenever you are lighting this candle, you're not getting any negative thought in your mind. You're only getting positive thoughts. Because if you'll get negative thoughts at that particular point of time, you won't be able to get the 100% results of this ritual. So say this sentence, affirm this in a very positive manner. Only try to attract positive thoughts in your mind and feel the energy when you light this candle. This is a very simple remedy, but it's a very, very wonderful remedy. So follow this remedy, or if not candle, you can light a red bulb or a red lamp in the south direction of your home. Because as I said, this is the direction which is related to fire element. And the color that represents fire is red. So follow this tip, it's a very amazing tip. And you'll feel the difference in your life very soon. Now comes the second tip and the next tip. All you have to do is, you have to offer water to Lord Sun. Every day during the sunrise, at least 1 hour within the sunrise. Because sun is the source of all the light and energy. And we all know that sun is the king of all the planets. Sun is the master of all the planets. So if you want to be the master of all the people, if you want to have your own importance, if you want that people should respect you or people should take inspiration from you, if you want to have that reputation, respect or dignity, if you want to attract name and fame luck into your life, offer water to Lord Sun. And I'll tell you the procedure how you have to offer water to Lord Sun. You have to take a copper vessel, add some water in that copper vessel and add pinch of sugar, and along with it you can add red kumkum in that water and just offer that water to Lord Sun. Make sure whenever you are offering water to Lord Sun, you are facing east, because east is the direction of rising sun. That's the reason, make sure you are facing east while offering water to Lord Sun. And make sure whenever you are performing this ritual as well, you have to only get positive thoughts in your mind. You don't have to get any negative thought in your mind. Only then you'll get 100% results, 100% benefits. Because sun, the way sun shines upon the entire universe, the same way the sun will shower his blessings upon you. If you want victory in any particular field, if you want your confidence to go up, if you want to have a strong willpower, strength, you need courage, motivation and inspiration in your life, or you want to maintain your reputation, you want to create your own importance among the other people, then do this remedy as well. These two remedies are very simple, but these are very, very effective remedies. Just follow these remedies and you will see the results very soon. But make sure whenever you are performing these rituals, these remedies, only try to get positive thoughts in your mind. Just think that whatever will happen for your betterment only. Only then you'll get the results. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. If you really liked the video, do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, or if you need any crystal healing tips, you need some Vastu remedies, you can contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. I have mentioned the links in my description box, so you can just go and check it out there. So thank you so much for watching my video.